Hey guys, thanks for coming back. I've been getting some requests to explain my screw and dowel method a little bit better, so I'm going to take an opportunity today to do that.
I'm sure most of you are aware that the easiest way to put furniture together is with a small nail gun. But even with a lot of nails and some wood glue, your joints can still be really weak. Obviously, screws are the stronger way to go, but nobody wants to look at those on your furniture. To combat this, take a regular 3/8" drill bit and drill a hole about halfway through your top material. As you can see, with a regular drill bit, sometimes it can be difficult to gauge how deep you need to go. I make this part just a little bit easier by using a drill bit made for pocket holes. These drill bits have a handy little stop so you can set the depth to exactly what you want. As a general rule, I usually set my depth to about half the material's thickness. This pocket hole method can really save a lot of time. Now you can use that long screw you wanted to secure your boards. Now take a 3/8" dowel rod, apply a little bit of wood glue, and fit it in the hole as deeply as you can. Now trim your dowel rod off flush with your material and sand it to give it a clean look. You'll be able to use this method on a lot of different projects, and it can really help give your furniture a handmade look.
Thanks for watching today, guys. And be sure to subscribe and share this video with a friend if you want to see more great DIY tips and videos.
Want to see my method in action? Check out this awesome little video from Affordable Backyard Woodworking.